that when I started Live It, Love It, Sell It, what I really wanted to do was simplify it and say to people, actually, if you're all having conversations and being you, you're ultimately starting a selling process. Whatever you're doing, whether you're selling the idea of doing something to your child, or whether it's to a friend, or whether it's in business, that whole conversation, that authentic conversation, is the start of a selling process. And of course, there's other things to take into consideration, but the starting point is believing that you can sell, that you have something that you're passionate about, or you're doing something you're passionate about. And so actually your energy and your enthusiasm is going to create a conversation. What instinctively do you want to do within a conversation?
Yeah, and it is, and I absolutely understand that. But so why then do people, including myself, get that kind of icky feeling when I've not yet been able to pick up a phone and make a sales call, a direct sales call.
Yeah.
What I do is I throw all of my content out there and say, this is me, here it is, this is what I do, this is how I can help you. And then just hope that people will come and find me, which I understand is not the best way to go. So how do you tell people to start that process?
Well, I think there's a couple of things to answer. The first thing is, why do people feel this way about sales, that icky feeling? And most of the time it's because they've had a very bad experience of someone trying to sell to them in that horrible prescriptive way. We all know that that doesn't feel nice. It doesn't feel genuine. So that's part of it. Then there's this whole fear of failure. So actually, if I do try and make and start this sales pitch to sell something I know this person needs, and then they say no, we are going to experience rejection. And rejection to us as a human emotion is actually painful.